Hey guys, Black Bandit 1/64th scale mods here. This is the new layout. It's still on the same thing, but I didn't like how I had it. I had the mechanic shop down here and the farm up here, but I thought, hey, the farm's bigger than the mechanic shop, so I switched it around, put the farm on the bigger table, put the mechanic shop on the smaller table. It's still the same, I just switched it all around. I put all the farm stuff on the big table, all the mechanic stuff on the little table. But what I'm here to show you guys is the D3 Black Edition. Let me put it down here since that table is black. The D3 Black Edition has the tracks, it's custom. Let's get that out of the way for a minute. But very nice. Still wet on the grill there. Try not to touch that. And got the hitch back there. That's more of a hitch and toe kind of hitch though. Might build a custom hitch for it to for some different things instead of just the hitch and toe items. Very nice. I got the plow done too. This didn't take that long, but you can see some of those are broken off on that side. I'm just gonna cut them all off except for that one right there and the one that matches it on this side. So that one I'm gonna keep, and that one right there that matches it on this side I'm gonna keep. The other ones I'm just gonna cut off, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Well, actually, no. I'm not gonna cut them all off, no. But there is that. Very nice. And I just have one more project that I'm working on right now. Might end up starting another one. Back this, I took out the toolbox and I put a just a hose. I'm gonna figure out some way to make it a other thing. Maybe I might leave it a hose, but see, the hose is made where it fits into the fifth wheel hitch perfectly. Get in there. Keep on tapping it. It can't fall out. Yep. But I'm working on the 1957 GMC step deck. It was green. I'm painting it this brown color. It was a green sheriff's truck. But I'm gonna make it look a little bit nicer. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Well, I added an oak tree over there. Thanks. Bye.